Okay, guys, now we're gonna learn about two methods, one called get computed style and the other one get property value. And we're gonna use these two together. So what's so special about using them together? Well, they allow you to select any element you want from HTML, and by using JavaScript, you can get all of that element's styles and all of their CSS properties returned back to you as an object. So that's really, really useful. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna work with this H1 right here on line 12. If we go to our CSS, you see that I had put some CSS rules for that. If you are wondering why I use display inline, let's take it off. Okay, you see that this red border will go all the way to the end because H1 is a block element. Okay, it's not going to the left because I had some margin left. Okay, so if you take it out, display inline will prevent it from going all the way to the left. All right, so let's go to JavaScript. First, we select that element. Then it says use window.getComputedStyle. So I'm going to put const my CSS is equal to window.getComputedStyle. And then we're just going to pass in the node name here, my CSS. And then let's console.log that. Okay, let's see what we get. We get this whole object that has every single CSS rule. If you notice, we only declare like 5 here, but this has everything because it automatically comes with every CSS rule, no matter if you have a value for that rule or not. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. But that's too much. What if we only want to find out if the padding matches? What can we do? Well, for that, you can just take the object that gets returned, right? So this returns an object. So we're going to take that object, and then we're going to do this right here. Get property value. Get property value. And it takes in a string, and there is no camel casing here. So if you want to check font size, you have to do the dash font size. Okay. So let's console.log everything. Then make this smaller so we can actually see. Font size 32px. Let's check padding. 16px. 0.5 em. Okay, so remember, all the sizes get converted to pixels when you use get property value. Okay, let's check something else. Let's do border. 5px solid, and it gives us the RBG instead of red. Okay, so our colors will be changed into RBG format, which is actually good, right? Because some colors do not have a name. Okay. All right, guys, hope that was helpful. Let's move on to the next one.